A very good afternoon to all the girls, ladies and women who have got together today. Today is Women's Day and I wish you all a very happy Women's Day and a great future ahead. Since time immemorial, it has been said that women have taught us how to love, how to give affection and how to bring up our children. They have nurtured mankind in their laps, but times have now changed and women have assumed a much greater role in the world. Now women are excelling in each and every field, whether it is going to space or it is engineering. Anything that they do the best of it. A time has come when women are going to teach us how to fly aircrafts, how to treat our patients, and how to build buildings, and that time is not too far away. It has forever been said that behind every successful man there is a woman. But let me tell you, behind a successful man, behind a successful woman, you don't need a man. Women are successful on their own. Women today have progressed a lot. They are doing very well. In fact, if you go anywhere, whether you're catching an airplane or you go to a hospital or you go to an industry, they are there in each and every activity that men were doing in the past. Men will never be able to take the pain of childbirth, but women have taken it throughout centuries that mankind has survived. Today, on this wonderful day, I wish you more success. I wish you all the happiness and I wish that you get all the love you need in your life. Wishing you a very happy Women's Day. Dr. Anil Jain from EpicHospital, Ahmedabad. Thank you.